Okay, guys, and welcome back. My name is Udaja Kingsley, and we are scared. We are somehow scared whether the bull market is over. So I'm back again to reassure you in one or two things. You understand? There are key levels that we are not supposed to lose. You should, you should. This is not about prayer. You get. This is about the market makers holding. What just happened? So sorry, guys. I actually didn't know what happened, but the market makers holding on to those levels. Now, we talked about fake breakout often, and if you notice, we have a level of resistance here on Bitcoin, level of resistance here, and on Monday we got something like a fake out. Yeah, this green candle right here actually did a strong fake out. I mean, a lot of buy stops would have been triggered here. Excuse me. um a lot of buy stops would have been triggered somewhere around here, and I'm causing this market causing traders to think that, oh, we are going to revisit this high right here. But that's actually not the case. If you take a look at what happened the next day, sellers stepped in and said, oh, hold up, we are not done with this retracement. We are not done with this downtrend. So we need to complete our own part of this deal before you guys can what? Return to being excited. So they said, send it down, and we had this breakdown with a strong candle. In fact, we created what we call bearish engulfing right at the resistance, right at the sorry, let me opacity. Yeah, right at the resistance level we formed the bearish engulfing. Now, in forming this bearish engulfing, I'm going to draw the next level I expect Bitcoin to get to. We have so many rejections, 1, 2, and somewhere around here. So I expect Bitcoin to drop somewhere around here, and if I'm to use my, let me see if I can get yeah, the area. I'm trying to get the area very well so that it becomes a bit easier for us. Yeah, so I expect Bitcoin to drop to this area of a support. Yeah, definitely we are going to get there. So what I want it to happen is, in as much as we are not might not get straight red candle, but hold up, we actually don't control this market, so you never can tell what might form next. So what I expect the market to do, excuse me, red candle straight down to this level of support. If we happens to get some demand around this region, if we happens to get some demand around this region, then we are going to get back up. Yeah, let me we are going to get back up. You understand? So dropping around this region is crucial in order to form a double bottom and also get some demand. So I would be expecting something like, let me clone this, and excuse me, somehow you might not like, I like to use these too. Okay, let me clone it multiple times this time around. 2, 3, 4, yeah. Yep. Yeah, so this is something I'm expecting. You get price drops to this level of support, and then we get a bounce back. And if you take a look at it, this is going to give us a good double bottom, whereby we have our first bottom right here, we have our first bottom right here, and then we have our second bottom right here. But should this market ever breaks this region, this area of a support, we have just this level and this place to visit, and that might not look well for the alt. Oh, let me mark it out. Sorry, don't worry, I'm going to reduce the opacity. Yeah, and let me change the color to red. So sorry guys. Yeah, so if we ever lose this region, if we ever lose this level, I would be expecting the market to drop down to something like this. That is if we ever lose this first one. But if we don't get to lose it, let me clone here. Yeah, I like cloning this. I enjoy cloning it. Yeah, so yeah, okay. And if we ever drop below here, the bull market at this point might be turning south, and I wouldn't want to lie to you guys. It is crucial we do not break this level. So I expect, let me delete this because I'm not happy seeing it. We expect market to drop to this level of support and then get a bounce and reverse completely. You get. Now if we go to one harmony USDT, I've actually did this analysis, and to some of us this is looking ugly, but that is not what I'm expecting. So we have a double top here. This is the first top around here. We have the first top around here, and we have the second top around here. So if you take a look at this is an M that is about to form, but for bull market not to be over yet, I do not expect this level to break this range and continue down. So what I would really want to see is the market dropping to this support. That is the same as Bitcoin dropping to this level. You get, that is the same as Bitcoin dropping to this level. So one harmony drops to this level of support, and the next candle resumes the what? The buys. The next candle resumes the buys, and then we reverses back up. And that is going to help us maintain this range that we already have here. And if the buys continues, then we'll see the bull market still in what? In action. But if it fails and decides to, oh, let me break this range, what we might see won't be funny. So that's just the little analysis I said let me drop for you guys, so you know what we are expecting from this market. It's a two-way thing at this point in time. Say 50-50. Is the bull market over? Is the bear market clocking in? Just expect Bitcoin not to break 90,000. You see this region, 90,000. Just expect Bitcoin not to break it. But if it ever breaks it, we are getting here, and alts are going to die before even getting a bounce. You might not want to see that on your portfolio. Have a good day.